06:06 Saturday, and we're about to start riding. We had another wild night camping last night, not by choice. We even had booked into a campsite. We got there and they said they were full. So there we go, not leaving a trace. See you later, bye. Dry dock, and it's nearly midday, so must be time to find somewhere to eat, because they open at 12 and they close about 2, and that's it. Shut. Had it. Well, here we are. We've just come across this field of peas. Oh, as far as the eye can see, they're peas. I love peas.
So they're just setting pods. Well, there's your ladybug in.
Oh.
We don't see a lot of European or bumblebees, but there are very small insects and bees that are going from flower to flower, so they're being pollinated. I'd say they could do with the watering soon.
Yes.
They're very healthy anyway.
Yeah. Another beautiful little spot. A little bit of sun coming in there. And, well, coffee and cafe eclair. Oh God, I hope we don't see scales for a long time. We just come into a beautiful little village. We've seen a sign and it's called Al's Hotel. We might be able to book in for tonight. We've had no luck for the last 2 nights. We at least go for a beer. Okay, it's only about 11 o'clock in the morning, but beer time.
We've been up since 6.
Yeah, we have.
Onwards and upwards.
Onwards and upwards. We're cycling on day 8 and just came across this cute little house that's abandoned by the look of things.
Needs a lawn mown.
Yeah, it's got mature trees, little outhouse.
It's a satellite dish on the roof.
I was quietly protective of my heart to reassure that I couldn't break to pieces and be left alone once more. If you hadn't been so patient, you'd be easy to ignore. You put up with all my bullshit till you didn't anymore. And now I stand here calling at your door. Oh, now I stand here calling at your door. Yeah, I'm yours, anywhere you want. Yeah, I'm yours, and now we're singing. myself involved, been protective of my
Oh, here we go. Al had his first blowout on a not so friendly track. Big hole. I thought it was someone shooting, actually.
Yes, it frightened the life out of me too.
I thought that's why you stopped. I thought, oh.
I've never had a blowout on a bike like that, and certainly made a racket.
Just as well we bought a few extra tubes, and which were in the very bottom of all my panniers. Well.
I've got to make it.